Losing your hard-earned money to scammers is definitely what I don't want you to fall for. Making money in the crypto space or in the online space is good. Knowing how to withdraw this money into your bank account is better. So in today's video, so many persons have been scammed online while trading P2P, and I don't want you to fall for this scam. So I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process how you can transfer your crypto assets from your Bybit app successfully into your bank account. Now there are ways you can do this. If you are not smart in this process, so many persons are going to scam you your money. So stick around, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let's dive fully into the tutorial. Right in your Bybit app, the first thing you want to do is to convert or trade that crypto coin you have to USDT. And there are two ways to do it. First, you want to click on your Assets tab. To bring you to this interface, here you will see your funding account and unified trading account with the value of the tokens or coin that you are holding in USD, either in your funding account or unified trading account. Click on the account holding that crypto coin. For this video, my unified trading account is where this crypto coin is found. In this interface, you will see I have 2,399.478 pieces of Hamster Combat tokens worth $11.21. Click on Convert. Select the coin you want to convert to USDT the moment you get to this interface by clicking on the little drop arrow beside BTC. This page will pop up showing lists of crypto assets with the ones you have showing at the top of the list. Search for the tokens you want to convert to USDT. It will bring you back to this interface. You want to type in the amount you want to convert. Let's say if you want to convert 150 or 1,500 pieces of Hamster Combat to USDT, you want to indicate it in this column. And if you want to convert all of them or trade all of them to USDT, click on Max. When you click on Max, it will show you the value in USDT of the amount of the crypto coin you want to convert and the value of each token is proportional to 1 USDT. The next thing you want to do is to click on Quote. It will bring you to this interface. In this interface, you have less than 15 seconds to confirm this transaction or any of the transaction you are doing here before a new market price is updated. Click confirm and boom, you have successfully converted your crypto tokens to USDT. The second way to trade or convert any crypto coin to USDT is to click on your Spot tab close to your Assets tab. I prefer using this method most of the times. In this interface, you will see BTC chart or the chart of any particular cryptocurrency you have been interacting with in the app for the past few months. Click on BTC/USDT to select the coins you want to trade or convert to USDT. If you want to convert Toncoin, Ethereum, BTC, or any cryptocurrency, search for them and merge it with USDT. But for this video, we are going to change Hamster tokens to USDT. So type Hamster USDT. It is going to bring Hamster/USDT pairs. Now click on the pairs. It will take you back to this interface, and the chart shown here is that of Hamster Combat chart, no longer BTC. You can see it is indicated at the top of your screen here, Hamster HMSTR/USDT, and the chart here is representing that of Hamster Combat. Now click trade or sell at the bottom of your screen. When you click sell at the bottom of your screen, it will bring you to this interface. You want to change limit order to market order. After changing to market order, it is very, very important you use market order because we want to sell at current market rate. Yeah, we simply want to sell at current market rate. So after setting it to market order, you want to head over to type the amount of hamster combat you want to sell. If you want to sell 1,500 pieces, type in 1,500 pieces. And if you want to sell all of them, the yellow dot below the column for quantity of hamster combat, you can simply drag it to the end. It will indicate the total hamster combat tokens you have here, or it will indicate any cryptocurrency, the amount you have here for you to sell or convert that token to USDT. The next thing you want to do after cross-checking is to click on sell. It is going to pop up this interface. Now look at this: market price, order price, market, order quantity 2,355.77 hamster token. Now we want to sell so that we can get USDT. The next thing you want to do is to look at this little notification at the top of sold hamster combat. Do not prompt confirmation window anymore. So what is the meaning of this? If I don't want Bybit to be showing me this page before selling, I will tick it. So when I click on sell, the next time I want to trade any cryptocurrency for USDT, hamster combat will not bring up this interface right now. But I really want to be seeing this so that I can cross-check my order before I head over to sell. The moment you have cross-checked and you are sure there is no mistake in the transaction, click on sell hamster combat and boom, you have successfully convert these tokens to your USDT for P2P trading or for withdrawal into your bank account. The next thing we want to do is to withdraw this USDT into our local bank account. So without further ado, please, if you derive value from what I've been sharing so far, do it to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share with your friends. So without further ado, let's dive fully into how to trade your P2P in Bybit.
Now, when you come to your Binance app, you can see I have $28.38 here. The first thing you want to do if you want to trade is to make sure you click on your assets. Now, when you come to your asset, make sure the USDT you want to trade is in your funding wallet, not in your unified trading account. Now, if the USDT is in your unified trading account, the best thing to do is just to click on transfer. You understand? When you click on transfer, then you can click on this swap icon. So you can transfer it from your unified trading account to your funding account. Now, if you click on the asset, you can see I can click on my hamster combat now and choose to transfer it to my funding account. So I'll just click on max, and if I click on confirm, I'm done with the transfer. It will be transferred from my unified trading account to my funding account. But at the moment, my USDT is already in my funding account. So I'll just head over to my P2P section. Click on your P2P. This page is going to pop up. You can see it says during the transaction, please use your own account to receive payment. If the counterparty doesn't own account, you have the right to refuse it. Now, just read through all this. It is very, very important. Now, just make sure you don't use another person's account to receive the funds. Now, click on acknowledge. The next thing to do is to click on your sell option, your sell tab. Now, the next thing to do is to click on your filter and check mark these two options. Click confirm. Now, click on amount. So for this video, we'll be converting $14.58 to our local bank currency. So let's type the equivalent in naira. Let's just go with 30,000 naira so that I can get a good merchant to transact with in that range. Click on all payment method. Click on bank transfer. Yeah, if you're not in Nigeria, you can actually toggle this to your own country currency. If you click on it, you can see they have different currency, but we are going to be using NGN. So if you're an American, you can use your currency symbol. Yeah. So now you can see this merchant is willing to sell his is willing to buy our USDT at the rate of 1,661 naira. But you can see the limit here starts from 30,000 to 664,000 naira. Now our $14.58 is not up to 30,000 naira. So what we want to do is to make sure we get a good merchant um from at least 20,000. You can see this the limit for this is 20,000 to 359,000 naira. So we are going to be selling to this merchant, and you can see this merchant have over 3,588 orders. So the merchant is trusted. So we are going to be transacting with this particular merchant. Now click on sell. It is going to bring you to this interface. Now we are going to be typing the amount of crypto we want to sell in $14.58. Now $14.58, when it is converted, looking at this price here, when it is converted, it is going to be giving us 24,202 naira. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on your payment method, is to add your payment method. Now click on bank transfer. You can see I already have my account here because I've been doing P2P for some years now. So for you, this section is going to be blank. So you need to click on add payment method. If you want to add a payment method, click on add payment method. Now you can input your name, your bank account number, your bank branch, and your bank name, and then you are cool to go. You can click on confirm once all these are imputed. So since I already have my account already, just to click on confirm. When I click on confirm, the next thing I'll do is to click on sell. Now it will pop up this page, and we have less than 30 minutes to complete this transaction. So while waiting for the sellers to send your money into your account, you can as well message this merchant. You can click on the contact buyer. So when you click on contact buyer, you can actually send him a message. We can say chat me up the moment you send the money. So you can actually chat with the merchant here, the person you are transacting with. You can chat the merchant. And this is a disclaimer also. Make sure you do not release your crypto without checking your bank account and seeing the exact money there. You understand? For this transaction to be successful between I and this merchant, um, our account need to receive the sum of 24,202.2 naira 8 kobo. So if you don't see the exact payment like this, you don't see the exact money like this, make sure you do not release this crypto to the merchant.
A few moments later.
Now after some while, an email will be sent to you. Now you can see this is the email. This is the email. P2P seller, please release coin. Dear trader, we have submitted the P2P seller order and your buyer has indicated the payment has been made. Please confirm receipt of the full payment before heading to the P2P order to release coins. If you have any concerns, you can click on. So now this is just a notification that the seller has sent the money into our account. So I'm going to head over to my account to check if the money is there before I can release this cryptocurrency to this merchant. You can see after a while, this merchant confirmed he has sent the payments, but I didn't receive any money. Now I came back to contact the buyer back. You can see I told him, "Are you okay?" He was like, "I don't understand. Any issue?" I said, "You didn't send any money and you're asking me to release crypto. I haven't seen any money." He was like, "Let me check." So you guys should take note. If you just head over to your P2P section and you see release crypto and you release without confirming that the money is there, in your account. These guys will just scam you off your money. So you have to make sure you are doing this thing correctly. Look at, he has sent another message. It's bounced back. You understand? So imagine if I actually sent this cryptocurrency without confirming it in my account that it is not there. You would have seen that the moment I release this crypto, this merchant will never, he will never send this money back to you again. You understand? So it was like it bounced back. Is that why you asked if I'm okay? Okay, I guess let me apologize to him. So he's going to send the money again. Yeah, I actually told him I'm sorry. So he's going to send the money again, and we are going to confirm. And we have less than 3 minutes to complete this transaction. Right in my OP account, you can see he just sent the money, 24,203 kobo. You can see. So this is the transfer. So once you have confirmed that the money is in your account, you can now transfer or release the crypto to him. So let's head over to release our crypto. Now, once you come to this page back, click on release now. Then check mark this two and click on release crypto. Now, Bybit is still warning, under no circumstances should you release the coin if the full payment has not been received. So the full payment has been received. Now click on acknowledge. Now head over to your Google Authenticator to get your code to complete this transaction. And that is also the crypto has been received by the merchants. And you can see, like, sorry for the delay. So that is all for this video.
So this is how you can withdraw your tokens or your money from your Bybit into your local bank account. So do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share. I really do appreciate if you subscribe. Like, seriously, I really do appreciate. Thank you for watching to this point and see you guys in my next video. Peace.